Hey guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, the kids and I are decorating our front porch for Halloween and for fall. So I did have this wreath and this welcome mat that I had kind of just thrown out there, and now I wanted to change it up and make it more Halloween-y. Look, I even had my own cobwebs. I did take those down before we started decorating though. Alright guys, so I went a little extra this year, and here's all the decor that I have for the front of the house. So let's get started, and here is my Halloween shirt that I got from Walmart, and I love it. I find it so humorous. Haha. So before I started decorating, I wanted to clean off the door and get those cobwebs and sweep the floor. Guys, it's so hot here in South Florida and we really don't have a change of season. What's the temperature like where you guys live? Let me know in the comments. I'm so curious to know. So fun fact, it was a year ago today that I posted my very first YouTube video, and it was a DIY fall wreath. So if you want to know how I make these wreaths, I will go ahead and link that video in the description box and here on a card. I bought these Halloween picks from Walmart and they were only 98 cents. I love them and they're super cute. Ooh! You don't want it? You don't want it?
No, we got it for you.
Really? You did? Oh my god! That's so sweet! That's perfect timing too!
I just like to decorate.
Thanks. Yes, I do. I'd love to decorate.
I do. I don't like to decorate, but I love seeing your decorate.
Oh, thanks! That means a lot. Thank you so much. Isn't that nice? I got these little purple bat lights from the Dollar Tree. I did put batteries in them before I opened the box for you guys on camera, but I love them. They're so cute, and really I don't spend a lot of money on this decor. I made this really pretty bow using a YouTube tutorial that I found, and I didn't film it because I was looking at it on my phone, which is what I used to film, but I'll link it in the description so you guys can watch it too. So I got these wooden crates at Walmart on clearance for only $3, guys. I was so excited about that. They're sold as bare pine, and then you can decide whether you want to paint them or stain them or leave them bare. I did 2 different stains here. I actually have a third one, and I'm going to do it the same color as the right side and put that one up front eventually. I was debating whether I should open up the straw bale because it gets so messy afterwards, but I decided it was best to just create the whole look, and I did sweep afterwards. And just in case you guys are wondering, I have bought all of the decor that you see here from Walmart and Dollar Tree and the Target dollar spot and Aldi. All very inexpensive and really, really cute still. So I got this little skeleton dude from the Dollar Tree. I spray painted him in ivory color, and we want to name him. So let me know in the comments what you think we should name him. We'll have so much fun reading all of your comments, guys. So I got these little paper bats from Walmart last year, and the little glue dots that they came with weren't good anymore. So I got some sticky tack from Walmart and used that, and they hung up really, really nicely on this really tough, like textured concrete wall. So if you want to put something outside without damaging your walls, that is a really great option. Alright guys, here's the look. I hope you like it. Alright guys, here's the finished look. We absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!